See my screen? Voice again on this.
So,
Okay, okay. People are alive. Okay. Yeah, here it is. The service desk is a one part in the ITL. In overall ITL, service desk is a one small part. And we discuss about a event, alert, incident, call, service request, workaround, change. These terminologies, accept change. These are all terminologies or belongs to service operations in the ITIL. And of course, change is also in the ITL in a service design, service transition. But point is, the terminology is what we learn that is also part in the ITIL. Okay, so if you see that way, ITIL is a very big picture compared to what we learn. Okay, but we are learning about ITIL is very less. And learning of ITL is also very important, guys. Learning of ITL is also very important. ITL, ITIL, ITSM. Okay, ITSM. ITIL or ITISM tools are there. Like already I shared BMC, Helix, ServiceNow, Zoho. Those are all ITL, ITSM tools only. Okay. Yeah. These are all ITSM tools only. So if you have a doubt, then you can put a ITSM tools, then you will get it. In Zira, there's a Zira multiple different type of there. In a Zira ITSM software is Zira software for ITSM. That is correct. Here, first of all, what is an ITL? Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Information Technology Infrastructure Library. What is an ITL? ITL is a ITL provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, and delivering IT supporting supporting IT services to the business. Again, what is an ITL? ITL is IT Infrastructure Library or Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITL provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. If in case in the second line that is you feel it is a little bit bigger, you may not able to tell, but try practice and understand is very important. Not just how accurately are telling a sentence, that is secondary. Important is how you are understand. ITL is in the business, in IT service business, guys understand, in IT service business, ITL will give you, ITL is a theory part. Okay, ITL is not a practical one, but it is practical approach is there. It means practically we can do by using ITL life cycles. Okay, first of all we have to identify the business. That is the one. So provide practical no nonsense. It means there is a no nonsense part. Nonsense is not there. Like this business, that business, what is the outcome, what is not outcome, that kind of stuff. No nonsense. Okay, it's a purely sensible kind of understanding the business. Okay, you want to start IT business or you are running IT business, you are providing IT service. First, understand what it is, how it is works. Okay, so layer by layer. So for that one only, it is saying no nonsense framework. Practically, we can able to applicable the ITL ideology part. Okay, ITL part. First of all, identify what is your business. Okay, so what is your business? For example, take Savantis. What kind of services Savantis is providing? Take Microsoft. What kind of services Microsoft is providing? Take Cognizant, what kind of services it is providing. Take HCL or take a Tata, TCS, what services are providing. Okay, so you can search in your own also, guys. Okay, I'm not doing now, so but you can try yourself, then you will understand better. Okay, so identifying a business. What is my business? I'm a network supporter, or maybe I'm an internet service provider, or maybe I'm an application developer, or maybe I'm a web application developer, maybe I'm maintaining cloud. So identification of service. Planning how to create this, how to manage this, how to create it, how to create a service, how to provide a service. So we have to need a planning. Then delivering means provide a service to the customer. I'm providing a cloud services. Then to provide a cloud services, we have to plan it first and build it and deliver it. So customer should get a service. Now customer is getting an issues or maybe required some information. Support. Provide a support. So that's it is. ITL provide a practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. ITL is a widely adopted approach of ITSM management in the world. Okay, guys, what is the use of this ITL? So, is simply say benefits of ITL use. It improve IT services, reduce the cost, improved customer satisfaction through more professional approach to the service delivery, or you can say improve customer satisfaction, improve productivity, improve use of skills and experience. Okay, guys, always think there is a lot of service providers are there, right? A lot of service providers are there. Which is the best one in the market? Long term survival. There are certain companies will come and leave, right? Some companies will merge to another company, some companies will destroy themselves only. So what is this? Don't do it. Okay. Ah, this is best. Okay, so for example, you may have seen there is some company, they said we they are working better, working full function means highlighted company. Suddenly, so they said, no, we cannot able to run. No longer we can't able to run. They will close the business, right? Some are slowly the company is destroyed. So what is that? So I will tell always an example is Nokia feature phone means olden days Nokia feature phone and other mobile phones comparison and current smart mobile phones and their other comparison kind of stuff. Okay, in the olden days, if you ask someone like I want to buy a phone, mobile phone, they will tell, go and take Nokia Butler model like a Nokia 1100 or a 2600 or 1600. Okay, so they will tell like a 3230, 3210. So the model they will tell, and latest model in Nokia. Okay, so why it is there is a two important, three important is there because people first two you people tell, fourth one, third one I will tell. One of the reason, yeah, people are not talking anyway. One of the reason is battery backup, strong mobile phone, strong mobile phone. Mobile phone is very stronger, good battery backup. Okay, signal reception is also clear, not a mixed clear signal. So that is the main first two reasons. What is the third one is when Nokia came into India. So initially, mobile repairing shops are very less. Okay, so one you have a equipment, guys. We are in India again. India is one. Why it is India is the best in as compared to that lot of countries is We don't do like this. We use it, and once it is not working, we throw it away. We don't do like that. We go and take it to the repairing shop, let it get repaired, and then we'll use it again. Small problem is there, so that problem may be solved by 100 rupees or 200 or 500 rupees. We try to resolve the problem and we'll use it continuously. See, in another countries, what they will do, so they will, if TV is not working, they will throw the TV away and they'll purchase new TV. Okay. So what will happen in that one? So a lot of e-waste is creating. Okay. So we are reusing, but currently people are not doing that one. People are having lot of money today. Okay. If mobile is not working, they will throw it and they will purchase a new one, because mobile repairing cost is more than you can purchase a new mobile and stuff like your some component problem, so the guy don't know how to repair, because that is type of technologies we are getting now, whatsoever it is, guys. So Nokia providing free services, paid services, and multiple areas including small towns also, they come and repair the mobile phones. Even a roadside mobile phone repair candidate also will repair your mobile phone. Nowadays, we are getting a electrical bikes, petrol bikes. If you go and ask someone like which is the best one, better to take petrol one. Why? Because of the roadside people, the roadside bike repair person also knows how to repair your petrol bike. If you take electrical bike, and even the company person don't know how to repair it. If you buy chase ether and you got some problem, you have taken to the ether service showroom, they don't know how to repair it. They don't have any service guy. Even the service guy also don't know anything. Okay, all are same thing. So same cases for not only big companies, big and small companies. Okay, so they don't know. So small maybe no problem, because they may have only one or two direct complaints are there. So with Ether like a bikes, Vola like a bikes, more AI kind of stuff, means software based running kind of stuff. Then definitely there is a, if any problem is occurs, then they don't know how to repair it. Okay, that is make a market, guys. What is service responsibility? One is a quality of the service. Second one is service responsibilities. Okay, service responsibility. I told a story. I should not tell, but I told a story. But another lot of stories are there, but your point, improve IT services. It means whenever you provide a support to the customers, the customer will like your organization. Okay, so no one will expect you like there is no problem from this product. Like you purchase a refrigerator, you purchase a washing machine, or you purchase a mobile phone, you purchase a laptop or a desktop. No one will expect 100% working fine for a 10 years kind of stuff. No one is expecting that one, right? But if any issues occur, there must be a support from the organization, is there or not. If it is there, then your business is good. Okay, that is the first important. I purchased one mobile phone, Lenovo mobile phone. So lot of people asking me like, is it a service center is there are for a Lenovo or not? Okay. Okay, so this is ITL, and ITL. What are the benefits? Improve IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction. That's the story I told. That's why I told improve customer satisfaction. Long term survival is there. Means you started a company now, and it should be survive for the next 5 years, next 10 years, next 20 years, right? Like that. So that is important. Improve productivity, improved use of skills and experience. Guys, here it is. Understand IT. IT is an organization. So Savant is an organization, it is a IT organization. IT is a business. What kind of service we are providing, that is our business. Is it a BPO? Is it a KPO? It can be a software development related, or maybe a software deployment related, or maybe it maintaining servers, it maintaining network components, it providing hardware components, networking components, network configurations, internet services, storage services, designing a hardware like a CPU, RAM, processor, building that kind of hardware components, or software support, operating system providing, cloud services. These are all comes under IT business. So IT organizations or companies provide a IT services. Different set of IT services are provided from IT organization. So customer can be from IT and non-IT organizations. Okay, I am using internet. I don't require to be an IT organization or non-IT organization. Okay. For example, Savantis is a organization, is a IT organization, taking IT service from other companies and providing IT services to other companies. Okay, both are there. For example, MRF, Madras Rubber Factory, right? So it is tire manufacturing company. They may need a IT support. Why? Because they use a computers, they use a printers, they may require internet, they need an applications, so they need a IT organization. So customer can be from IT organization, not non-IT organizations. So that is the requirement. Guys, in ITL, so current version of ITL is ITL 4, but I am talking about a ITL version 3. What is this ITL version? So it is service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. Totally five life cycles in the ITIL. It is a standard model, guys. It is worked for almost like a 10 years, more than 10 years. This strategy is there. Okay, this life cycles. So always follow the straight line, not a reverse line. Straight line from top to bottom. You have to follow. Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. When you see service strategy is always talk about identification of service, identification of IT business, planning the service. Guys, if anybody came from the CSC background, they may hear about a SDLC, software development life cycles, or a waterfall model. Okay, so that is and this is look like similar, but there is a difference. Software development lifecycle or a waterfall model is talk about software development only, but ITL is talk about any part of IT industry or any IT industry. Okay, any part of IT industry or any service part of any service in a IT industry or a entire IT industry, it is any kind of IT industry. Okay, and it's not only software development, or it can be anything. Okay, that's the difference between software development life cycle to ITIL. Okay. Next is ITSM, IT service management. ITSM is a part of ITIL. Okay, ITIS, infrastructure management. ITIS, infrastructure system or infrastructure management kind of stuff. So that is also part of ITIL. Okay, guys. So service strategy. So identify the business about a planning, demand in the market. You want to provide a service, but is a demand is there? Now everywhere Geo is there. Maximum Geo internet, not Airtel. Okay, Airtel is a secondary, but main it is Geo. All are secondaries only. Okay. Now you want to start a business to provide a internet service in this your area, in a area, in that particular area. So internet service is not there, not by Geo or not by others. So no problem, you thought there is a demand which there, then you will come into market, right? If for example overall India, so I want to launch internet services like a Zio, then you have to give competition, demand in the market, that kind of stuff. Next, financial situations. You want to build a service, you want to build a IT company, or you want to build a service, or you want to create a new service, you want to provide a new service kind of stuff. What is your finance? Where you will get money? Do you have the money, or you want to take a bank loans? How to manage this money? Where you put a more money on it? You put a money on the equipment, or maybe on salaries of people, or maybe your advertisements. Okay, so financial management, so that is service status. Service design is all about it, designing the service. You plan the service, now you'll create a one map, blueprint, exactly say, or a flow chart will design according to your planning. Either it is the service is old service or new service, required a designing. And anything is required to change, we can change in the design by design coordinators, employees, supporting groups, we can do it. Service strategy is a build and deploy. What is build and deploy? So once your design, we start build according to it. For example, guys, you want to build a big shopping complex. You identify a business, big shopping complex. You're planning. What is the planning? I want to build 10 floors are there. Top two floors are movie theaters. Bottom two floors, like a first floor and ground floor is belongs to normal shopping, and middle fancy shopping kind of stuff, hotels kind of stuff is there. That is your planning. And what is the demand of that one? You put it in a very far from the city, less demand. Maybe where is a more demand for it? What is the demand for it? How many are expecting on weekdays? How many are you are expecting on a weekends? Where you will get money? Okay, where you will get money? Do you have any direct money in your pocket, or maybe you want to take a loan from the bank? And how you manage this money? Okay, this is service status. Service design like you prepare a blueprint, planning like how to build this one. Okay, where is the entrance, where is the security, secure your design, so no others should be copied, right? So there is a fight between Samsung and Apple in a few years back, because Apple claims that Samsung is stolen their design and they build mobiles. So both are look like a similar, but Samsung won in that one. So because both are look like different, both are different, both are hardware. Okay, because both are getting mobile manufactured from same company is manufacturing. That's why it is almost little similar hardware components. So whatsoever it is, guys, secure your design. Okay, so need a changes, you have to change it, redesigning it, take advisory from others to design coordinate. Okay, use tools to design according to. So if you use a tool, certain tools, so then it is very easy to design, and we can follow easy standards to the design. Like mechanical civil people use simulators, right? First of all they design it, they simulate how it is look like, 3D printing kind of stuff, right? So just one example, you can explain everything. Service design is completed. Now service strategy, we start building. So you will check the suppliers, right? who supply this cement, who supply this paint, who supply this sand kind of stuff, right? So then we start building, okay, and we'll changes anything required in the building also we do changes. We finally constructed, then we deploy to the customer. Okay, so what is the service strategy? It's all about a development, building, testing, any required changes, release and deploy to the customers. Once customer has got the product, so you have to give support. Service operations is about a supporting. So we discussed about service desk, that is comes under service operations. Supporting, monitoring, troubleshooting of a issues. For example, lift is not working, go and fix it. Water supply is not good, so then go and fix it. Water pipeline is broken, go and fix it. Okay, so all about maintaining your infrastructure, maintaining the buildings, troubleshooting any issues occur. Okay, service operations. Collect information from above life cycles, analyze, support, improve the above life cycle. Guys, continuous service improvement, CSI, continuous service improvement. What it will do? What are the issues you are frequently getting? Okay, how you design, any suggestions based on the observations from your identification, planning, demand, financial design, build and deploys, and supporting, monitoring, and or troubleshooting kind of stuff. We'll collect the information from each and every life cycle. We analyze and give the support to the each and every life cycles. Okay, so we'll support to the life cycle. So then it is we perform better, we perform better, we react better, we are shows like we are maintaining the product is in a better way. Okay, next one is what is the another benefit of this continuous service improvement, CSI. If you want to design a new project, now I got a new project. Okay, um, the project contains, okay, so almost like again another complex I want to buy. Okay, I want to build a another shopping complex. Now this, because of these life cycles observations from your designs, build, deployment methods, testing methods, or maybe from monitoring of issues occurring in your design, in your finance situations. Okay, so we can control all the situation. What are the required modification in a previous to now, we do it. So then we can give better services, faster services. Okay, so less issues, more performance. So this is about a basic idea of ITIL, guys. One more time, just 1 minute only. What is an ITL? ITL, IT Infrastructure Library. ITL provide a practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Benefits of ITL: improve IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, improve productivity, improved use of skills and experience. ITL has a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. That's it. Only two parts, guys. What is an ITL? Benefits of ITL, 5 life cycle. That is a question and answer. If any case, if any person go to the each and every life cycle, so then we can go for like this. Of course, incident management, power management are a common question. Change service request also common questions. Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. What these life cycles will do it? So simply to understand, service strategy is all about identification of business or identification of service, planning of service, demand in the market, financial management. Service design is all about whether it is new service or a old service. We require to design it and use the information technology. Secure the designs is very important. Okay, sorry. First designing and secure the designing. Okay, required changes also change it. Okay. Mm, plan according to your planning demand and put the service into the service provider row, that is called portfolio management service desk do service design portfolio management, what services you are providing kind of stuff. Okay. Service strategy is about a build and deploy. So as per your design, you have to build and deploy to the customer. Service operation is about a supporting like a event management, alert management, incident, problem, change, service request management. Change is not there, but still we are adding here. Change belongs to service strategy. Okay, so that's why. Okay, monitoring customer issues, monitoring the infrastructure, monitoring situations, troubleshooting if any issues occur. Continual service improvement is all about collecting information from the first four service things like a service strategy, service design, service transition, and operations. Analyze the information and get some important information, so support and improve the above life cycle. So then your organization improves performance and we can reduce the additional cost. Okay, we can improve the customer satisfaction, we can improve the productivity, you can improve our skills and experience. So then organization can able to run little more longer. That's it for now, guys. That is your ITIL. Anything, anybody having any doubts, any questions? No, nothing. No, when